Namaste. We will start the class. गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो सरस्वती नमस्तेस्तु वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी हंसवाहनमारूढे विद्यादानं कुरुष्व मे. We started Abhignana Shakuntalam. We saw a small introduction about the Nataka last time. So we will start the Patha, which is in your Pustaka. Before that, we will do the Mangalam for the Abhignana Shakuntala Nataka. Ya Srishtihi Srashturadhya Vahati Vidhutam Ya Havirya Chahotri Yedve Kalam Vidatthaha Shruti Vishayaguna Ya Sthitha Vyapya Vishwam Yamahuhu Sarvabija Prakritiriti Yaya Praninaha Pranavantah Pratyakshabhihi Prapannaha Tanubhiravatu Vastabhirashtabhirishaha. So we saw the artha of the shloka last class. So today we will get into the patha. So there are 7 ankas. So like we saw last time, there are 7 acts in the Nataka. So the Prathama anka, the story is King Dushyanta meets Shakuntala at a hermitage. So the second anka, Dvitiya anka, Dushyanta stays at the hermitage to protect the sages. Third anka, Tritiya anka, Dushyanta and Shakuntala, they marry each other. Chaturtha anka, so the fourth anka, a curse is cast as Shakuntala leaves home. So Durvasa Muni gives Shakuntala a shapa. Panchamaha anka, Dushyanta forgets Shakuntala and he rejects her. That is a shapa, that he will forget her. So he doesn't know who she is and he rejects her. Shashtaha anka, the king recovers his memory. So he gets back his memory through that ring. So that is doing the Abhignanam, the ring which he had given to Shakuntala earlier. So he looks at the ring and he gets back his memory and he leaves for war. And the last Saptamaha anka, he reunites with Shakuntala and their son Bharata. Okay, so this is the story of the Nataka. So Pathamala 3, at that level, few parts from the Prathama anka was covered. So in Pathamala 4, we will be seeing few parts from the Dvitiya anka and the Tritiya anka. So we have 5 lessons. So each has a set of dialogues. Okay, so it is not continuous, but a set of dialogues. And it is basically from the second and the third anka of the Nataka. Okay, so with this introduction, we will go to the second Patha. So the Patha 2 in your Pustaka. So that is Sankshitam Abhignana Shakuntalam. Sankshitam is that which is shortened. Okay, it's shortened Abhignana Shakuntala. Panchamam Drishyam. So we saw 5 acts in the third stara. Okay, so Prathamam Drishyam. So it's just a part. Okay, so this Panchamam Drishyam Anuvartate. So from this continues from the previous level. Iti Artha. So the first level, as we saw, he meets her in the hermitage. So now we continue from there. Kanvasya ashrame Raja Dushyantah Vidusakah Madhavyascha Sambhashamanau Vartete. Sorry. Ashrame Ishtinam Vighnam Purvatam Rakshasam Upadravebhyah Rakshitum Munikumaro Prarthayatam Raja Tatra Sahayo Bhavami iti Angikritavan. So this is telling you what is happening there. So Kanvasya ashrame. So in the ashrama of Kanva is foster father of Shakuntala. So now Dushyanta is in the hermitage. Okay, so he as we saw, he came running behind a deer, and people from the hermitage, two students of Kanva, so they go and request him not to kill the deer. So now he is there somewhere around the hermitage. Now he is invited to the hermitage and he goes there. At that time, Shakuntala is there along with her friends in the hermitage, but Kanva is not there. He has gone to some tirtha. So Kanvasya ashrame Raja Dushyantaha Vidushako Madhavyascha. So Vidushaka we saw as friend of Dushyanta. So basically in the Nataka, he will be like a clown. So he makes funny statements. He is a close friend of Dushyanta. Raja Dushyantaha Vidushakaha Madhavyascha. His name is Madhavya. Sambhashamanau Vartete. So those two were discussing. So Vidushaka, who is called by name is Madhavya. We call him a clown. Vidushaka means a jester or a clown. So Dushyanta and Madhavya sambhashamanau vartete. So they both are talking to each other. Ashrame ishtinam vighnam kurvatam rakshasam upadravebhyah rakshitum Munikumaro prarthayatam. So Munikumaro, so two people from the ashrama, okay, so two Rishi Kumaras, prarthayatam, so they come and they request Dushyanta for what? Upadravebhyah rakshitum, in order to protect them from the obstacles, and who are creating that? Vighnam kurvatam rakshasam upadravebhyah. So the obstruction created by the rakshasas, the demons. Okay, and what were they doing? Ishtinam vignam kurvatam rakshasam. So they ishti is yaga. So basically they were creating trouble in the hermitage. The demons were creating trouble in the hermitage when these Tapasakumara were doing the penance yaga. So ashrame ishtinam vignam kurvatam rakshasam upadravebhyah rakshitum. So to protect them from to protect the yaga basically. So they're doing yaga and some vigna arises in the form of the rakshasa. So to help out, they are requesting Dushyanta. So they are asking help to Dushyanta to help them so that they can complete their this ishti, the yaga, without any obstruction. Raja tatra sahayo bhavami iti angikritavaन्. So angikaranam is he agrees. So Raja tatra aham sahayah bhavami. So I will do your favor. I will help you. I will help you out. Iti angikritavaन्. Okay, so here we have kanvasya ashrame. So kanvasya plus ashrame, kanvasya ashrame, we have savarna dirgha sandhi. Again vidushako madhavya. So everywhere sandhi is there. So you can, we'll make this as an exercise. You can underline the words where sandhi is done and you can break the sandhi, or if somewhere it can be done, you can note down such points. Okay, so please as a homework take this. So this story that we see, please underline the words which are where the sandhi is done or sandhi can be done. Okay, and it is not done. So such cases, such words you please underline and you can write them down. So Dushyantaha vidushako madhavyascha. We have the utva sandhi there, visargasya utvam. So madhavyascha, madhavyaha plus cha. So sambhashamanau. So we saw this ana. You should remember the shanach pratyaya. So kridanta. So we have bhashidatu and some upasarga. So to shanach pratyaya. So two people we have sambhashamanau vartete. Then we have kurvatam is a word. Again, this is Shatru Pratyanta, Kridhatu, Vighnam Kurvatam Rakshasam. So for Rakshasa or Rakshasa, both mean the same. So it is an adjective. Kurvatam is an adjective for the Rakshasa here. So Vighnam Kurvatam Rakshasam. So what kind of Rakshasas? Those who do Vigna, those who create a Vigna. Okay, for while they were doing the yagas. Okay, so Ishtinam Vignam Kurvatam. This Kurvatam is adjective, Kshatru Pratyaya, Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, because Rakshas is in Shashti Bahuvachanam. Okay, so then we have Rakshitum is again Kridanta, Tumun Pratyaya, Rakshidatu, Tumun Pratyaya, and then Prarthayatam is a Tinganta, Artadatu. So we have pra upasarga. Then we have, that's it. So we'll try to just identify the kridantas that we learned, the shanat, shatru, tumun, whatever we have learned till now, we will identify those words also, so that you understand their usages. So the English artha is added in the slides for you to go back, read the patha and try to, if you don't understand the meaning, you can always come back to the slides and look at it. So in the hermitage of Kanvasya Ashrame, King Dushyanta and the jester Madhavya are engaged in conversation. Sambhashamano vartete. The young sages, so the Muni Kumara, the young sages request protection in the hermitage. So Rakshitum Prarthayatam. So they asked him, requested him. For what? Due to the trouble from demons who caused obstacles to the sacred rites. So this Ishti is sacred rite. So Ishtinam Vighnam Kurvatam Rakshasam Upadravebhyaha. So Upadrava is a obstacle. Okay, so from the obstacles they wanted protection, Rakshanam. Okay, so for that they go and ask him. The king agreed to assist him, saying, I shall be your ally in this matter. So Raja Tatra Aham Sahayaha Bhavami iti Angikirtavan. Okay, so we'll completely see the story and the doubts we will take it up at the end. Okay, so now, so this is Raja's dialogue. So it comes as a dialogue, right? So Madhavya apyasti Shakuntala darshane kutuhalam. So he's talking to Madhavya. So api plus asti apyasti yad sandhi. So api asti Shakuntala darshane kutuhalam. So before understanding this, the background is actually once this hunting is all done, the Raja has to go back to the city. Okay, but now that he has seen Shakuntala once, he doesn't want to go back. Okay, so that is the truth. So he is actually trying to find a reason to stay back at the hermitage. He needs a reason to stay back, otherwise he has to go. So he was looking for a reason, and exactly at that time these people come and request him to protect them from the Vigna. So he feels very happy. Okay, God has himself created a situation where I can now stay back peacefully. So now he is very happy that he is staying back. So he's asking Madhavya, Api asti Shakuntala darshane kutuhalam. So he is now happy that he is going to meet her again. So he's asking Madhavya also, oh, you are also very eager to see Shakuntala. Api asti Shakuntala darshane kutuhalam. So Shakuntala darshanam is Shakuntalayaha darshanam, Shakuntala darshanam. Tasmin. So we have a samasa there. So he's asking Madhavya, is there curiosity to see Shakuntala? So he is actually very eager to see. So that is why he is asking Madhavya. And he was looking for a reason to stay back and see her. Now that these people have requested him to stay back themselves, people from the hermitage only, they have requested him. So he is very happy and he is expressing it. Oh, Madhavya, are you also very happy to see Shakuntala? So that was his. So Raja asks him, and then Vidushaka, the Madhavya. So that character, Vidushaka says, Purvam saparivaham asit. Idanim tatra rakshasa vrittantena bindurapi na avasheshitaha. So he says, Purvam, before saparivaham asit. So parivaha means Paritaha vahanam is parivahaha. Parivahaha means brimful. Okay, so it is kind of close to overflowing. Okay, so they say if you fill a vessel with water, you fill it in such a way that next 1 second it is going to overflow. So that is brimful. So that is parivahaha. Purvam saparivaham asit. That kutuhalam was there inside me also. I was also very, very excited to see her. Idanim tatra rakshasa vrittantena bindurapi na avasheshitaha. Now, not even a bindu is a drop. Not even a drop of it is remaining. Avasheshita is shesha means that which is remaining. So, bindu rapina avasheshita, not even a drop is left out in me. Okay, why? Rakshasa vrittantena. Because those people are telling them that Rakshasas are creating Vigna and they're asking Dushyanta's help. So now after hearing this word Rakshasa and all that, oh, not even one drop of Utsaha is in me. I don't want to go there at all. So that is what he says. So this Vidushaka will basically make funny statements in the Nataka. So Purvam Saparivaham Asit. So previously it was overflowing. I also wanted to see her. Idanim Tatra Rakshasa Vrittantena Bindurapina Avasheshitaha. Not even a drop of that enthusiasm is in me now. I don't want to go there at all because I've heard about these Rakshasa now. Now that I have heard about this, I don't want to see her. There is no Utsaha at all, he says. So Rakshasanam Vrittantam, Rakshasa Vrittantam. Tena, by that news, okay, so by the news of this Rakshasa. So at first it was full to overflowing. That Kutuhala was there. It was overflowing. Not even a drop of it is left now at the mention of the demons. Iti artha. Raja. Ma bhaishihi. Nanu matsamipe vartishyase. So again here ma bhaishihi. So bhaishihi is a tinganta padam. So the actual pada is abhaishihi. Lunglakara. So abhaishihi is the right form. So ma bhaishihi means don't worry or don't get scared iti artha. So with the usage of this avyaya ma, okay, this ma is like them giving a negation, saying don't, right? So ma piba, when I say ma piba, don't drink, okay? So ma gacha, don't go. So this ma is an avyaya and that gives this negation. The artha is negated with the usage of ma. So along with ma, when you use a lung lakara, okay, so lung lakara, what happens? You see the lopa of the first akara. Abhaishihi is the right form. The Tinganta form is Abhaishihi. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana form is Abhaishihi. But you don't see the akara is not heard. This is a Vyakarana Vishesham. Why akara is not heard? Because of the presence of ma in the statement. Okay, this is a Vyakarana Niyama. Whenever you use this ma, okay, so when we say ma, along with the Kriya Pada in lung lakara, okay, it also applies for few other akaras. Here it is lung lakara. When you use along with lung lakara, the akara is not heard. The akara of the tingantam, the Kriya Padam is not heard. So ma bhaishihi. So don't get scared. Nanu matsamīpe vartishyase. So vartishyase is vritudhatu ritlakara. You will be close to me. I will be there now. Why are you worried about Rakshasa? Matsamīpe, mama samipa. So this matsamīpa is again mama samīpam. Then tasmin matsamīpe. So whenever we have the sarvanama in samasa, I think we learned this. So we have this mama samīpam, tava samīpam. What happens? Mama and tava will have the adesha tvat mat. So it becomes mat samipe, twat samipe. Okay. So this is again samasta padam. So mat samipe vartishyase. So you're going to be close to me. Why are you worried? I am here. He doesn't want to go there because of scared of the Rakshasas, but don't worry, I am always there. Nanu mat samipe vartishyase. So don't worry, you shall keep close to me. Iti artha. Then Vidushaka says, Yesha Rakshasat Rakshito Asmi. So here I am saved from the demon. So this is again Yeshaha, he is referring to himself. Okay, so Yeshaha Aham. Okay, Aham Rakshitaha Asmi. I am already protected. Rakshasat Rakshitaha Asmi. Because this king is standing close to me, I am already protected from the Rakshasas, is his comment. So here I am saved from the demons already. Okay. Yesha Rakshasat Rakshitaha Asmi. So by Yeshaha, he is referring to himself. Yeshaha Rakshasat Rakshitaha Asmi. Okay, then Dawwarikaha Pravishati. So these two, the Sambhashana between these two has happened. So he is now very eager. Dushyanta is eager to go to the hermitage and see Shakuntala. Okay, so he is talking to Vidushaka, and now the Dawwarikaha Pravishati. So the doorkeeper, he enters. Sajjaharataha. Dawwarika says, Sajjaharataha Bartuhu Vijayaprasthanam Apekshate. Yesha Punaha Nagarat Devinam Agnyaptiharaha Karabhakaha Agataha. So Dawwarika is one character and Karabhaka is another character. So this doorkeeper says Sajjaharataha. So this Ratha is ready. Okay, Ratha is ready. Bhartuhu Vijayaprasthanam Apekshate. So Vijayaprasthanam is your travel. Okay, so your victorious travel is expected. Yeshaha punaha nagarat devinam agnyaptiharaha karabhakaha agataha. Yeshaha karabhakaha agataha. This Karabhaka has come. Okay, so Karabhaka is a person, he has come. Who is he? Agnyaptiharaha. So Agnyaptiharaha means one who carries the Agnya. Okay, so he is a messenger basically. Devinam Agnyaptiharaha. So by the word Devi, here we are referring to the queen, the queen mother, okay, mother of Dushyanta. Nagarat Devinam Agnyaptiharaha Karabhakaha Agataha. So this Dawwarika comes and informs that Karabhaka has come carrying a message from your mother. The chariot is ready and it is ready for your Vijaya Prasthana, he says. So we'll see these words. So the chariot is ready. It awaits your majesty's victorious departure. Meanwhile, Karabhaka has arrived from the city bearing the queen's order. So we'll see these words. Ajnapti haraha is Ajnaptim harati. One who carries harati ityatra vahati iti arthaha atra. So he is carrying the Ajna from the queen. So he's a messenger. Ajnapti haraha. So this Devi is a word used here for the Rajamata. So if you see, this is the Pankti from the Amara Kosha. So there is a Amara Kosha, there is one Varga for all these characters in the Nataka. Okay, the words which we use in the Nataka. So we have Raja, Bhattarako, Devaha, Tatsuta, Bhartadarika, Devi, Kritabhishekayam, Itarasuta, Bhattini. So in a Nataka, Raja can be addressed as a Bhattaraka. Okay. Okay. We say Bhattarakaha Devaha. You can also address him as a Devaha. Then Tatsuta, the Raja's daughter, the princess, Bhartradarika. So she is addressed as Bhartradarika. Then Devi is the word that we have here. Devi Krita Abhishekayam. So Krita Abhishekayam. So which means she is coronated. So she is the queen mother. Okay. So Devi means the queen who is coronated. Then Itara Suta Bhattini. So there will also be wife of Raja. She will be referred to as Bhattini. Okay. So Bhattarakaha, Bhattini, Raja and Rani. This queen mother is Devi. So these are in the Nataka. So this is Natya Varga, I think. So the Varga in Amara Kosha, which deals with words used in the Nataka basically. So they have used Devi Nam Ajnapti Haraha. Okay, so it doesn't say Raja Matrinam or something, right? So Devi Nam is Bahuvachanam is for to show respect. Normally, Bahuvachanam indicates Adhara. So Devi here indicates the Raja Mata, the mother of Dushyanta. Okay, so Devinam Agnapti Haraha Karabhakaha Agataha. So he says, Karabhaka has come with some message from your mother and the chariot is ready, we can go. Iti. So Sajjaha Rataha Bhartuhu Vijayaprasthanam Apekshate. So okay. So Devi is Ragni, Baddapatta Ragni was given there in the Amara Kosha. So which means the mother, the queen mother, iti artha. Okay. So he is saying we can, it is ready. If you want, we can leave. So he has also come. The Karabaka has come is a message given by the doorkeeper. Raja Sadaram Kim Ambabhihi Preshitaha. So Sadaram with respect, but sent by the mother. So Amba is again, Amba is mother, referring to the Raja Mata, Devi. Right? So Kim Ambabhihi Preshitaha. So was he sent? Was this Karabhaka sent by my mother? He is asking. Preshitaha tapratyaya. Okay. So we'll also see, you can also do this exercise, identify the kridantas that we learned. So preshitaha is tapratyaya, right? So pra, upasarga, ishidatu. So all that we can slowly try to break a word and see the grammatical components in it. Dawarikaha, athakim. So athakim is, it's like yes, he has come. Iti. Okay. So this is one expression. Athakim comes in many places. Nanu praveshyatam. So let him be admitted. So if Karabhaka has come, let him come inside. Please call him. Iti. Nanu praveshyatam. Okay. So we have. Then the Dawarika says tatha. Yes, I will do tatha. So these avyayas also we saw in the Avyaya Patha, if you remember. The usages you can see in the Nataka also how it is. Right? So athakim, tatha. So tatha here says, yes, I will call him. Nishkramya Karabhakena Saha Pravishati Yesha Bharta Upasarpa. So he Nishkramya, having gone, Karabhakena Saha Pravishati. So he comes back, he enters with Karabhaka. Okay, the Avarika goes outside. Tatha is as your majesty commands. Iti. Then he goes out, he brings that Karabhaka. He says to Karabhaka, Yesha Bharta. So the Bharta here again, last dialogue also we saw this Bhartuhu, right? So Bharta is again not normally it is husband. In that Artha we have seen the usages. Here it is the king. Okay. So by Bharta, the chief, the king is addressed. So here is our majesty, Yesha Bharta, Upasarpa, approach him, go to him, tell him whatever you want to convey, right? So, Upasarpa is this is an instruction to the to that Karabhaka. Yesha Bharta Upasarpa. You go close to him. Iti. Karabhakaha Jayatu Jayatu Bharta Devi Ajnapayati आगामिनि चतुर्थे दिवसे मे उपवासः प्रवृत्तपारणो भविष्यति तत्र दीर्घायुषा अवश्यं संभावनीया इति. So now Karabaka, he is come with the message, Jayatu Bharta. This is normally the first dialogue that all the servants say to Raja. So let there be victory to the king. Devi Ajñapayati. So she has given an order. Okay, so Ajna is order. Ajñapayati, she orders. What is her order? Agamini Chaturte Divase. So the coming fourth day. Okay, so from that time, the fourth day, Agamini means the upcoming in the future. Iti artha. So Agamini Chaturte Divase on the fourth day. मे उपवासः प्रवृत्तपारणः भविष्यति. मे हियर इज मम षष्ठी. मम उपवासः. So basically the Rajamata was taking upavasa. Okay, so she was doing some vratha. Okay, so she was fasting. She was fasting for a particular time for the welfare of this king, for her son. Okay, for the welfare of her son, that is the king Raja Dushyanta. So she says, Mama upavasaha pravritta paranaha bhavishyati. So paranam is when the upavarata kala is over, you take one light food or whatever you are supposed to take, you at the right time. So when we say, we call it as parana. So normally we fast on Ekadashi and on Dwadasi we do the parana. Means at a particular time we complete the whatever puja or whatever we do and then we take the food, right? That is parana. So mama upavasaha pravritta paranaha bhavishyati. Paranam is upavasa vratantara divasa kartavya prathamika bhojanam. Okay, the ending the vratha, that is parana. You end the vratha, you end the fast and you take some food, right? So to break the vrata, you're taking something, some bhojana, prathamika bhojana, that is paranam. So pravritta paranaha, pravrittam paranam yasya. So that is upavasa. Pravritta paranaha upavasaha. So that upavasa which is now I'm going to break the fast. Okay. Mama upavasaha pravritta paranaha bhavishyati. Not today, but after 4 days. Agamini chaturthe divase. On the fourth day from now. Tatra dirghayusha bhavata avashyam sambhavaniya. Avashyam aham sambhavaniya. So I should be honored by the presence of you. Okay, and what kind of you? Dirghayusha bhavata. The bhavata is not here, it is understood. Tatra dirghayusha is tritiya vibhakti. So dirgham ayuhu yasya, that is dirghayuhu, and tena is dirghayusha. By you who are a chiranjeevi. So dirghayusha bhavata avashyam sambhavaniya. So aniyar pratyaya. So bhavaniya bhudatu aniyar. Okay, so aniyar pratyaya. So sambhavaniya, when she says, I should be honored. Aham sambhavaniya. I should be honored. Okay, by your presence. When on that fourth day, when I am breaking my fast. So this is the order of the Raja Mata. So Devi Ajñapayati Agamini Chaturthe Divase. On the coming fourth day. Mama upavasaha pravrittaparanaha bhavishyati. So my upavasa will come to an end, which means I am going to take bhojana on that day. Tatra means tasmin kale, at that time. Dirghayusha avashyam sambhavaniya. So sambhavana is honoring. Here it means I should be honored. I should be honored by your presence. And this dirghayusha is an adjective for the Raja. Dirghayusha bhavata avashyam sambhavaniya iti. So Karabaka says, victory to your majesty. Jayatu Bharta. Devi Ajñapayati. The queen conveys this message. On the fourth day from now, Agamini Chaturthe Divase, I shall break my fast. So Mama Upavasaha Pravrittaparanaha Bhavishyati. On that occasion, that is Tatra, I should be honored with the presence of the long-lived one. Okay, so long-lived one, Dirghayusha, Dushyanta, refers to Dushyanta. So you have to be there when I break my fast. So she is inviting him to the Nagara. Okay, so that is a message carried by Karabhaka to Dushyanta. Raja, itah tapasvinam karyam, ito gurujanaanam agnya, dvayamapi anatikramaniyyam, kimatra pratividheyam. So he is now confused. He was so happy he is going to stay back at the hermitage. Now his mother has asked him to return back. So now he says, Itaha tapasvinam karyam. Oh, here I have a karya to protect these tapasvi. I have to take care of this, whatever the Muni Kumara has requested him to take care of the hermitage, no peace at hermitage. So I have to look after that. I have to create those obstacles caused by demons. I should take care of that situation. Tapasvinam karyam. Itaha gurujananam agnya. Oh, now I have this Agnya order from Guru Jana. Guru basically is referring to his mother. So the Raja Agnya has come. So both are important to him. Itaha Gurujananam Agnya. Dvayam api anatikkramaniyam. I should not go back on both, right? I should go and meet my mother. That is important. I should also help these people because I am the king and they have come to me for a help. So dvayam api anatikkramaniyam. Both should not be ignored. Both these should be done. किमत्र प्रतिविधेयम् प्रतिविधेयम् इत्युक्ते प्रतिकर्तव्यम् oh how should I do or what should I do now I have to do both the kartavya both are important kartavyas which I have to do and I should not forego any of these anatikkramaniyam I should not forego this I should not forego that also kimatra pratividheyam so what should be done by me so he is confused now. Here lies the duty towards the hermits, tapasvinam karyam, which is protection of the yaga. That is his karya. Itaha gurujananam agnya, the command of the elders. Okay, elders, his mother has called him. That is also because she is on the vratha for his welfare. So anyway, it's a agnya from the queen. He should not forego that. So dvayam api anatikkramaniyam. Both are not to be disobeyed. Kim atra pratividheyam. What can be done in such a situation? Iti. So Raja is having a confusion here. Vidushaka. Trishankuriva antarale tishtha. So this again, as I said, he will make funny statements now and then. So Trishanku, as you all know, is the story of Trishanku. So he is father of Harishchandra. So he had a desire to go to heaven along with his Sharira, which is not possible. Nobody goes to heaven with the Sharira. But he wanted to go to heaven with the Sharira, for which he goes and asks Vasishta. Vasishta says, no, no, that is not possible. Then Vishwamitra says, no, no, I will make it possible. So he does some great sacrifice and all that, and he does, and he sends him to heaven along with his body. But when he was about to go to the heaven, Indra says, no, no, you can't come here with your Sharira, and he pushes him down. So when he falls back to earth, Vishwamitra says, Tishta, you stay there only. So he's kind of not in the heaven, not on the bhumi, somewhere Vishwamitra created a separate place for him called Trishanku Swarga. And we believe he is there. So Trishanku Swarga is not heaven, not bhumi. So somewhere in between. So this Vidushaka is saying, giving a funny comment saying, Trishanku riva antarale tishta. You stay in between. Don't go there, don't go here. You stay somewhere in between. He is in the Vana. So don't go to Rajagriham. Don't go to the hermitage. Go somewhere in between and stay there. He is making a funny comment here. So remain midway like Trishanku, he says. Then Raja says, Satyam, Akuli bhuto asmi, Krityayoho bhinnau deshau, Puraha shaile pratihatam strota iva me manaha dvaidhi bhavati. So he says, Satyam, very true. Akuli bhutaha asmi. So, mama brahmaha jataha. So I'm confused. I'm so now troubled. What should I do? Okay, so he is worried. Akuli bhuta means I am worried now. What I should do. So Akuli bhutaha asmi. Krityayoho bhinnau deshau. So by Kritya, he means tapasvikaryam and matrikaryam. Okay, so he has to do the tapasvi karya, the hermitage karya, and the agnya from his mother. So tapasvi karyasya, matrikaryasya cha krityayoho bhinnau deshau. So two deshas are different. His presence is needed here also, his presence is needed there also. It is a binna desha. I can't be available in two places. So krityayoho binnau deshau. Puraha shaile pratihatam strota iva me manaha dvaidhi bhavati. So here there is an upama. So Kalidasa is famous for the usages of upama. So here his thoughts are confused. Okay, so it is like he compares it with the strota. Strota is the current or the course of a river. Okay, the nadi pravaha. So what happens when a nadi is flowing in full current and there is one shaila, a mountain, suddenly which hits it. Okay, so when the course of the river it goes and hits the mountain, it is not straight hereafter. It has two ways. Okay, it can go either way, this way or that way, or it we don't know how it will go ahead, right? So like that, puraha shaile pratihatam strota iva. So strotam is the stream. We call it a stream. So puraha shaile pratihatam. That strota is hit. Okay, or it is obstructed and hit by a shaila, by a mountain in front of it. पुरः शैले प्रतिहतं स्त्रोत इव मम मनः द्वैधी भवति. So my chetas is द्विधा is two ways, in two ways. Advaidam dvaidham bhavati. So dvaidi bhavati means advaidam dvaidam bhavati. So dvaida means in two ways iti artha. Kartavya nirdharane asamartah. So this usage of this word is giving a suchanam that he is not able to do his kartavya nirdharane asamartah saha raja. So dvaidi bhavati. So he is having two minds now. So he wants to go here, he wants to be here also. He doesn't want to leave the hermitage as well. So like how a stream which is hit and obstructed by a mountain doesn't know how to take further, go ahead further. Same way, my chetas is confused. I am also not knowing whether to go this way or this way. Okay, so mama manaha dvaidhi bhavati. So indeed, I am deeply troubled. Satyam akuli bhutaha asmi. So bhutaha is tapratyaya. Bhudatu tapratyaya. Aham akuli bhutaha asmi. Krityayoho binnau deshau. The two duties. The kritya is tapasvikarya and matrikarya. The two duties are in opposite direction. Binnau desha, it's in different places. So puraha shaile pratihatam strota iva mama manaha dvaidhi bhavati. My mind is split into two now. Split into two like a stream which is blocked by a mountain. Okay, the course, the current is altered now. So it comes with a high speed. And now if there is a mountain, the course is altered of that nadi, right? Same way, my mind is now, it is split. I am not able to decide how to go about, right? So this is the Raja's dialogue. Now Raja Vichintya, having thought upon, Sakhe, Tvam Ambaya Putra iti Pratigrihitaha. Ataha Bhavan Itaha Pratinivartatam Tapasvikarye Vyagram Mam Ambaye Nivedayatu. Tatra Bhavatinam Putra Krityam Bhavan Anushtatum Arhati. Now he has made a plan. So there are a lot of dialogues in between. So this is just a Sankshepa. Okay, so this it is a brief part is given. So Vichintya, now the Raja thinks and he says, Sakhe, oh friend, he is talking to this Vidushaka Madhavya. Tvam ambaya putra iti pratigrihitaha. Pratigrihitaha ityukte swikritaha. So you are also treated as a son by my mother. Mama ambaya putraha iti swikritaha. You are accepted as a putra by my mother. Ataha, therefore, Bhavan itaha pratinivartatam. So you please return. Okay, so a son should be there when the mother breaks the fast. You are also like a son to my mother. So you have to return from here. Ataha bhavan itaha pratinivartatam. So prati and ni are upasarga, vritidhatu, lotlakara. So you have to return from here, he says. Tapasvikarye vyagram mam ambaye nivedayatu. So I am here very eagerly intent on tapasvikarya. So you inform this to my mother. Nivedanam karotu. So you inform it to my mother. Ambaye nivedayatu. Please inform to my mother. So tapasvikarye vyagraha asmi. I'm so intent on doing this tapasvikarya because they have come for protection. Okay, so as a Raja, the first duty of a king is to protect his people. So that is my foremost. Now I have decided that is my foremost karya. Tapasvikarye vyagramma ambaye nivedayatu. So this Vratabhanga, anybody can be there. You are also like a son to my mother. You can be there. So I have to but protect the tapasvis. I cannot ask somebody else to do this. So tapasvikarye vyagram mam. I who is keenly intent on taking care of the tapasvis. Ambaye nivedayatu. Please inform my mother. Tatra bhavatinam putra krityam bhavan anushtatum arhati. So bhavan anushtatum arhati. So you are capable of doing all these anushtana that a son should do. for her, right? Tatra bhavati nam. So tatra bhavati is a word that we use. So tatra bhavan, tatra bhavati. So these are we use to address people of some high position. Okay, so a Raja or here the Raja is addressed as Tatra Bhavan, right? So Tatra Bhavati means the Rani, the Raja Mata, the mother of Dushyanta. So Tatra Bhavati Nam of her Putra Krityam, whatever a Putra is supposed to do that day. Okay, those activities Bhavan Anushthatum Arhati. Now I ask you to be in my place and do whatever is needed for her as a son. Okay, so you can do all those Anushtana instead of me, he says. Tatra bhavatinam putra krityam bhavan anushtatum arhati. So you are capable. Now I give you that power. Okay, so to go and do all that is expected from me at that time in that place. So you go there as a son and you can do that, he says. So friend, you have been accepted by my mother as her son. Tvam ambaya putra iti pratigrihitaha. So grihitaha is again grahudatu taprataya grihitaha. You are accepted, swikritaha. Okay, so you have been regarded or accepted as a putra by my mother. Atah bhavan itah pratinivartatam. So therefore you must now return from here. So you are her son now. You should go from here. Tapasvikarye Vyagram Mam Ambayai Nivedayatu. So please inform my mother, okay, who is engaged in ascetic duties, I am occupied. Iti. Okay, so I who is intent, Vyagra means who is intent, eagerly intent, iti artha. So I am eagerly intent on doing all this tapasvi karya. So I am preoccupied in that duty. You should go and tell her this. Okay, inform my mother who is engaged in ascetic duties that I am occupied. Okay, you ought to fulfill the duties of a son towards her in my place. Okay, so bhavan anushtatum arhati. So you have to fulfill the duties. Okay, putra krityam. So putra krityam is the duties of a son. Anushtatum arhasi. Tatra bhavatinam is the of the ragni iti artha, of the rajamata. Okay, so of her you do all the duties as a son, he says. Yatha Rajanujena Gantavyam Tatha Gachami. Now this person is very happy, this Vidushaka. So first of all, he was so irritated with this Raja because he had to go on hunting. So the Raja actually comes inside that vana for hunting and they tirelessly hunt. They don't rest at all. So this Vidushaka is not able to, I mean, he doesn't have so much energy as the Raja. So he used to initially in the Prathama Anka only, there were a lot of dialogues where this Vidushaka will keep scolding that Raja. Oh, he doesn't take rest at all. He doesn't eat at regular intervals. He doesn't eat good food. Whatever he gets on the way, he eats. Oh, how can someone go hunting with this Raja? Oh, I want to go back home and have a nice time. So that was his intention all through the Prathama Anka. Then second Anka, they bring in Shakuntala Darshanam and all that. So they have fun. Now this Vidushaka is so happy that he is going to go back because he doesn't like staying in that vana. Okay, he doesn't like having irregular food, going here and there, roaming around the forest, without food and drinks. He is so hungry and he's tired basically. So he's so happy that he is going to go back. That too, how? As a prince. Now he is not going back as Vidushaka. He is going to go as a Raja himself. So he is more happy. Yatha Raja Anujena Gantavyam Tatha Gachami. So he says Rajanuja. So Rajanuja is Samastapadam. Ragnyaha Anujaha. The younger brother of a Raja. Ragnyaha Anujaha. Rajanujaha. Rajanujena Yatha Gantavyam Tatha Gachami. Like how a brother of Raja should go back, I will go like that only. Okay, which means you send me with all those troops and everything, like as if I am actually a Raja. Okay, so he is now telling Yatha Raja Anujena Gantavyam Tatha Gachami. So Gantavyam Tavyat Pratyaya Gamudatu Tavyat Pratyaya. So I shall go adorned with pomp like the younger brother of a king. Okay, I will not simply go. I have to go like a Raja myself, he says. Raja. तपोवनस्य उपरोधः परिहरणीयः सर्वान् अनुयात्रिकान् त्वयैव सह प्रस्थापयामि. So Raja is also very happy to send all his troops. Okay, so he wants to be alone in this hermitage. Okay, with the very purpose he is staying back is to meet Shakuntala. So he doesn't want anybody to be around him at all. So that is his intention. So he is also happy that he is sending back this Vidushaka and all his troops as well. So Tapovanasya Uparodhaha Pariharaniyaha. So this the very presence of that Raja along with all his troops is itself an obstacle for people in the Tapovana. That is what they say. Because he has lot of people around him. So with arms and all that. So there the animals living there are scared. Okay, that entire environment is kind of not very peaceful because the Raja is there along with his troops. So Tapovanasya Uparodhaha Pariharaniyaha. So he wants to stop away, do away with the disturbances that we keep causing to the Tapovana. So this presence of Raja is there, it is unintentional disturbance for the Tapovanam. So he wants to stop that also. So Uparodha is an obstacle or a disturbance, you can say. Pariharaniyaha. So Aniyar Pratyaya. So Hrudatu Haraniyaha. Right? So it has to be stopped. Okay. Tapovanasya Uparodha Pariharaniya. Sarvan Anuyatrikan Tvaya Eva Saha Prasthapayami. So Anuyatrikas, the people who are along with him. So okay, so Raja never comes alone. He always comes along with a group of people. So that is his retinue. Okay, so he says, I will send all my retinue, all my servants, everybody. Sarvan Anuyatrikan. So those who came on this yatra along with him, they are Anuyatrikas, the fellow travelers. Okay, so these are basically the people around Raja who are always present. Sarvan Anuyatrikan Tvaya eva saha prasthapayami. I shall send along with you only. You take everybody and go. Okay, so Raja doesn't want anybody here. He wants to be alone. So he says, Vidushaka says, I want to go there with a pomp. And Raja is all happy about it. Oh, yes, yes, you take all the troop and you go away from here. Because the presence of our own troop itself is a disturbance for the Tapovana people who are there. They are living peacefully in an environment and we are actually disturbing them. So let us all go away. So except the Raja, he sends everybody. Everybody else go to the Nagara. Tapovanasya Uparodhaha Pariharaniyaha. So Sarvan Anuyatrikan Tvayaiva Saha Prasthapayami. So I shall send all my retinues, the group of people along with you, he says. Vidushaka Sagarvam Tena hi Idanim Yuvarajaha Samvrittaha Asmi. So he says with a garva now, oh, now I have become the Yuvaraja. Okay, so now I am the king, I am the Yuvaraja. Then indeed I have now become the crown prince. Idani Yuvarajaha Samvrittaha Asmi. So I have become the crown prince now. He says with some pride because he is going to go there with along with the troop of the Raja. Raja, Swagatam. So Swagatam is within himself. Okay, so he doesn't say it out. Swagatam. Chapaloyam Batuhu. Kadachit Asmat Prarthanam Antahpurebhyaha Kathayet. Bhavatu Yenam Yevam Vakshye. So when everything is ready, when he is set to go, this Raja is thinking to himself, Chapalaha Ayam Batuhu. So Batuhu, this Brahmana, meaning the Vidushaka, Madhavya. So this is he's a Chapala, he is a fickle-minded person. Chapalahayam vatuhu. Kadachit, sometimes asmat prarthanam antahpurebhyaha katayet. So he knows the fact that he likes Shakuntala. So because he has been talking about or describing Shakuntala to the Vidushaka. Oh, now I am worried this person might go there and talk about Shakuntala to people in the Antahpura. Okay, Antahpurebhyaha ityukte Antahpure ye nivasanti. Okay, those people who live in his Antapura. This person might go there and he might blabber something about Asmat Prarthanam is my this Asha. Okay, so he knows that there is something going on here. So he might go and tell it to people in the palace. Kasmat Prarthana Antahpurebhyaha Katayet. He might say, Bhavatu. Okay, so be it. Yenam Yevam Vakshe. Now he should tell him something that he should not go and talk about Shakuntala to the people in the Rajagriha. So, Yenam Yevam Vakshye. I will tell him in this way. Vakshye is future tense. So, Vachidatu. So, Vakshye, I will tell him. Yenam. Yenam is Vidushakam. Yevam Vakshye. I will tell him this way. So, this is what he thinks in his mind. He doesn't say it out. He thinks this person is a fickle-minded person. He might go there and talk something wrong about me. So he might go talk about what I'm doing here or about the Tapasvi Kanya to my people in the Rajagriha. That should not happen. So Enam Evam Vakshe, I will tell him this way. Okay, the Raja thinks to oneself, this young Brahman is quite impulsive. He might perhaps reveal my request to the women in the inner chamber. Santapurebhyaha means Santapure ye vasanti. To that people who are staying there, he might tell something to somebody there. So be it, I shall speak to him in this manner. So he says, now he says outwardly, Prakasham Vidushakam Haste Grihitva. So now he takes his hand in his hand and he says, Vayasya Rishishu Gauravat Ashramam Gachami. So why I am going to this ashrama is Rishishu Gauravat. Out of respect for these rishis. Satyameva Tapasakanyakayam na mama abhilashaha. Okay, so I am not interested in that kanya at all. That is truth, satyam. Okay, I am not at all interested. Vayam kva, where are we? Mrigashavakaihi samam yedhitaha ayam janaha kva. Where are these people? These people, they are all growing up along with Mrigashava. Okay, Mrigashava is a Shishu. Okay, the young one of a deer is Mrigashava. So these people, see, I am a Nagarika. I am brought up in a Nagara. My life is different. These people are living in the hermitage along with, they are all growing up along with plants and these young ones of the deers. They are grown up that way. Where are they and where are we? There is no connection at all. I mean, our lifestyle is different, their lifestyle is different. So, Sakhe, tat parihasena vijalpitam. So, vijalpitam is, jalpanam is saying something, so he has been talking about Shakuntala always, right? So he's been telling about her to Vidushaka before. So tat parihasena vijalpitam. So I was just out of some. It was not true, but it was simply I was blabbering to you something about her. So don't take it as truth. Tad vachaha paramarthena na grihyatam. Okay, so I was just simply talking about her. That is all. It is nothing serious there. So don't take it as a paramartha tattva. It is not the pure truth at all. Don't take those words as satya. What is true is I want to respect those rishis there. So for their protection, I have taken up this tapasvi karyam. Not because this kanya is living here. Okay. So he is now telling it explicitly. Okay. So Raja is telling him, aloud, taking Vidushaka by the hand, Prakasham, Vidushakam haste grihitva. So Vayasya is Akaranta, like Hey Rama, Hey Vayasya, Sambodhana Pratama Ekavachanam, my friend. Rishishu Gauravata Ashramam Gachami. So out of respect for the sages, okay, I am going to the ashrama. Okay, it is not for any other reason. It is only for that reason I am going there. Satyameva Tapasakanyakayam na mama abhilashaha. So I have no desire for the sage's daughter. Okay, so it is like he is explicitly telling the truth, but he wants to make sure it is not understood as truth. Okay, he says, no, I don't have any desire for the sage's daughter. Mama Abhilasha, Mama Asha Nasti. No, I don't have any Asha. Vayam Kwa, who are we? What kind of people are we? Mrigashavaihi samam yedhitaha. Yedhitaha tapratyaya yedhidatu. Yedhitaha is one who was brought up or grown up. Okay, so editaha ayam janaha kwa. So raised among fawns. And who is she? Ayam jana here refers to her. So who is she or where is she and where are we? There is no comparison. She is totally a different person from a different environment. I am totally a different person from a different culture. So how can we match each other? There is no match at all. Okay, so ayam janaha kwa mrigashavaihi samam yedhitaha ayam janaha. So yedhitaha ityukte raised among the fawns. Who is she? I mean, there is no comparison at all. My friend Sakhe, again Sambodhana Pratama, my friend Sakhe, tat parihasena vijalpitam. All that I told you, it was in jest. It was a joke. Okay, parihasa, a joke. It was just a joke. Parihasena vijalpitam maya. Okay, vijalpita is again tapratyaya. So it was told as a joke. Parihasena vijalpitam. Tad vachaha paramarthena na grihyatam. So whatever I told you about her especially, paramarthena na grihyatam. Do not take it as the truth. Okay, so do not take them seriously. Okay, he is telling this to Vidushaka, taking his hand on his hand, and he is telling him so that he wants to make sure he doesn't go there and take this name Shakuntala to anybody in the Rajagriha. Athakim, okay, how else? I know whatever you say is truth. How else will I take it? He says Athakim. So Sarve Nishkrantaha Javanika Parivartate. So with this one partha is over. So Sarve Nishkrantaha. So we have everybody leaves. And Javanika, the curtain, the next play will come. So Javanika Parivartate. This is a standard things that you read in the Nataka. Okay. So with this, the first lesson, the second partha, lesson number 2 is over. So there are abhyasas. If you see the question, the first abhyasa is like translate into English the entire partha. Okay, that is one abhyasa. There are also samasas and sandhis. Okay, from this lesson. Basically sandhi only, not even samasa. Only sandhis are there. I will post the sandhi exercise of this lesson and the next lesson that we'll see on Friday together. Okay, on Friday I will post for this lesson. Next lesson is also very small. So both the lessons, Sandhi exercise, whatever is there in the Pustaka, I will post them as exercise on Friday after completing the next lesson. We also have exercises for the Kriya Pada. Okay, so certain Kriya Pada, they give say Bhavami, they will give and they'll give 2 dash. You have to fill the other 2 Vachana. That kind of exercise is also there. I will post them on Friday. From the Pustaka, whatever is available, I will post them on Friday. And along with all these Abhignana Shakuntala PPT, I will be posting a Word document. Okay, in that Word document, whatever hard words are given in the Pustaka. So in Pustaka, after the lesson, they have given few hard words. So both Samskrita word and meaning in Tamil. In Tamil Bhasha, they have given. I have translated it into, we have translated it into English. So I will be posting that Word document where whatever the words listed in the Pustaka are in the Word document and you have the English meaning. Okay, so this is for you to go through. You should not feel that you don't have the Pustaka with you. So these dialogues are there in the lesson. So after these dialogues, there is this Katina Shabda. Okay, so the Katina Shabda will be posted as a Word document along with this PPT in the portal. It will be available in the portal. So you can go through the Katina Shabda. And there is also Abhyasa for certain lessons. So this Abhyasa for this lesson I will post on Friday after taking the next lesson also. Okay, with this we complete the second lesson on Abhignana Shakuntala. So idanim prashna asti chet prashtumarhanti. How to get the book for this course? So book again, it is only available in Tamil for now. The moment it is available in English, I will definitely let you people know. Till then, you have to go with the slides. What does Nanu mean in Nanu Matsamipe? Nanu is an Abhyayam. It's just adding one extra part. It's not, it's like indeed. Okay, so Nanu Matsamipe Vartishyase. Indeed, you are close to me. How can a Rakshasa attack you? So it gives the meaning of Nanu, indeed. Iti artha. Okay. Yes, if you have other questions, you can raise your hands. Namrata Bagini. 1 second. I'll unmute you. Namrata Bagini, you can unmute yourself.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Namaste.
In the PPT where Vidushaka says that with pride that now I have become a crown. There the sentence is Tena something. Can you go to that
Tena
slide?
he. Tena
Yes.
means by that. Okay, so by that is before this he says, I will send all the troops with you. Which means I'm going to be sent, I'm not going alone to the Nagara, I'm going to go with the Anuyatrikas. Like a king only, I'm going to go on a chariot and people will follow me, which means the Tena here refers to that part. Tena hi, because of that, Idanim Yuvarajaha Samvritaha, which means now I am the Yuvaraja. Because I'm going to use your chariot, I'm going to use your Sena. So Tena means by that iti artha.
Okay. I couldn't relate Tena to which they have referred. Okay.
Tena here. So Tena not normally Tena is for a person, so we say by him. But here in certain situations, when you say Tena, it means by that situation. Tasmat karanat, like that. Tena karanena. You can take it as Tena karanena idanim yuvarajaha samvrittaha asmi.
Okay. Avagatam. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Prakash Mohini Mode. You can
Namaste.
unmute.
This
Namaste.
is regarding Danya Dosha lesson. There is this Sushube Shabd is Karmani. And there is a sentence Ragi Putram Sushube. So Ragi is in Prathama Vibhakti and this Sushube is Karmani. So how do we explain?
Sushuve is not karmani. It is lit lakara. It is kartari.
Karmani lit. It is Karmani lit. I saw it in Ashtadhyayi. That is why I'm asking. Kartari lit is different and this is different.
It is given in the Abhyasa or Patha. I don't understand where it is.
Oh, this I was seeing in Ashtadhyayi. So this Sushube
No,
is
this sentence which you said, is it given, is it present in the Abhyasa or the Patha?
Yes. Yeah. It is present in the Abhyasa.
Abhyasa exercise. I will take a look. Which lesson, which
Okay.
Abhyasa Bhagini?
This Danya Dosha.
Tane dosha. Okay, it is a translation from Kartari to Karmani. That exercise.
Yeah.
I will check.
No, it is not Thanks.
I will check. I will get back to you. Yes, I will check that. Probably it could be a dosha. I will check. I will see the sentence and then let you.
Oh, done.
Venkatraman Mahoday. Dhanyawada, Bhagini. I will confirm it in the next class. I will take a look and confirm it. Venkatraman sir, you have a question? Dhanyawada. Please raise your hand if you want me to unmute. Prashna Hasti va, Venkatraman Mahoday.
Hello.
Namaste,
Hello.
sir.
Abhijnana Sakuntalam. Can you explain again what is Abhijnanena Chinna Rupena? What is that last in the last class you told me? No?
So Shakuntalam, one explanation was given as Shakuntalayaha idam. So that idam natakam. So that nataka which is about Shakuntala. And Abhijnanena here is one who is remembered or whose memory is brought back by that Abhijnana mudra, that ring. So one who is reminded, iti artha, reminded by the mudra, the chinha.
Abhijnanena.
The ring.
Abhijnanena Chinna Rupena.
Yes. Smritam.
Smritam Sakuntalam.
So that a lot of they have more than 5-6 Vigraha Vakyas, you know, it's given there. We can take it any way we want, whatever makes more sense, we will take it that.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
You can do the Vigraha in different ways is what I'm trying to say. I have just shared 1 or 2 ways that we can do.
Thank you, madam.
So it is all about Shakuntala. The Nataka is about Shakuntala, whose memory is brought back to Dushyanta with that chinha. So Abhijnanam is reminding. Okay, so he who is Shakuntala, who is reminded through that, who gets reminded through that ring. That is Artha.
Okay, thank you.
Dhanyavada. Dhanyavadaha. Then we meet on Friday. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhav bhavet. Dhanyavada.